Hey guys, Rich here at Flippin' for a Livin'. I don't know if you can see it, but my beautiful, wonderful, glorious, sunshiny, hot day has turned into a dreary, rainy, yucky day. And I was working in my yard and more importantly, trying to organize this storage shed of just randomness, which is about 2% of my inventory. Obviously some of this stuff is personal stuff, but yeah. So I made myself a little bit of standing room, and what I want to show you guys in the rain is the stuff that has kind of just been lying around and I've never got into, because at the end of the day, this is either stuff that I got completely free, paid nothing for, maybe needed a little tweak, a little clean, maybe it was going to be useful someday, like that cooler or this toolbox. I got 2 or 3 of these skill saws or chop saws, so I don't need that one. Bottom line though is that this stuff, can you hear the thunder? That toolbox was $2. That skill saw or planer was free. That was 10. That was 2. That cooler cost me 5. Those golf clubs, they gave them away. There's a couple actually hickory ones in there. All those skateboards were $2 or less, and that little stand was $1. I got $38 invested in all this, and this is the bottom of the barrel. This is absolute crap. This, other than the cooler and the saw, which I'm putting in to this little post to draw some attention to it. Whoa! Almost fell over. This $38 of stuff is absolute crap. It's starting to come down pretty good out here. But I'm going to post it all in one kind of need to have a garage sale, but I don't feel like it post. And see what we can come up with. I'm going to try and sell the skateboards as a lot for like $75. That little stand maybe 15. The clubs around 30 to 50. I'm not sure yet. I'll look a little closer. Toolbox for sure 10 or 15. Those 2 Coors Light things I'm going to put for $30. I'm pretty sure I'll get at least 25. That free planer, 15 or 20. That for sure 35 or 40. Pogo stick 15 or 20. So we're going to probably get at least $200 out of this. Like I said, absolute bottom of the barrel garbage. So let's put an ad up. I'm going to show you how I do this on Facebook. Be playful, be fun, be funny if you can. And I'll show you the ad here shortly. And we'll see if we can get some results ASAP on selling this crap. Okay guys, here is my most recent post on Facebook Marketplace. So I showed you all of the items in that picture. We take one picture. Oh, so now I'm gonna get sidetracked, but so I have a lot of pictures. You're only allowed 10 maximum in a marketplace post, but I use the layout app for Instagram to combine multiple pictures into one little picture. Get that app if you can, and then you can, in essence, have 40 or 60 or 80 pictures instead of only 4. So each item I'm highlighting there, you can see we got the golf clubs, 4 different pictures of it, the skateboards, the plant stand, I think it is, miter saw, beat up ass old skill saw, or no, Skill is the brand, it's a planer, beat up toolbox, the Coors Light stuff is cool, whole bunch of body glove wetsuits and a life jacket. It's pretty self-explanatory. And this rug. So as you see right there at the top, purging, but no time for a yard sale. Various items and prices, read description. I like doing that because some people don't realize that they have to scroll down to see the description. And there is my description. Antique golf clubs, $40. Bundle of working skateboards, all of them for $60. Plant stand, ooh, shruggy little lady. I don't know if it's a plant stand or not. but it sure looks like a plant stand. Make sure you put the dimensions in, otherwise you're going to get asked 100 times what the dimensions are. Miter saw, yes, it works, $40. The planer works, beat the crap. Obviously, it's only $15. I guess you guys can read Trusty Rusty Tool Chest, the life jackets. Make sure you put the sizes in there so you don't have to answer those questions later. And at the bottom there, 5x8 rug, no stains, tears, bugs, smoke. People ask those kind of questions all the time, so make sure you put them in there. So there is the ad. Start with put the lowest priced item, $10 on there. And yeah, out of that 38 bucks, we're going to get a couple hundred. Let's be honest. Some of these things aren't even going to sell. A couple of them probably won't. I will have a garage sale coming up and I will unload them there. But I have such a little amount invested in these. So I'm going to look at this as a group, you guys. 38 bucks in all these items. So even if I get like $150 and a couple of them don't sell, I'll just donate them. I got to look at it as a bundle. 38, make 150. It's well worth it. So, you know, if the golf clubs don't sell, whatever, I'll give them away. If the plant stand doesn't sell, whatever, I'll give it away. As long as I make 100 or 150 bucks off the investment. That is that. So guys, that's it for this quick little video on selling what is virtually the unsellable on Facebook Marketplace. I won't say everything sells on Facebook, but mostly everything will go if it's still useful, if people need it on a daily basis and it's priced right. A lot of the stuff we just went through, it cost me virtually nothing, in some cases nothing, and I'm selling it, well, what I consider to be pretty cheap. And most of it will go. 70-80%. I might get stuck with 2 or 3 things, but we already talked about that. We'll just donate them. On a whole, I feel like someone from Star Wars. Yeah, 38 in. I know we're gonna make $125 to $150 on the group, so the rest, it doesn't matter. You gotta look at it that way sometimes. So that's it, you guys. If you have any questions about this video or selling on Facebook, please hit me up or put it in the comment section below. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button or notification bell so you know when all my new videos come out. Man, I am stumbling on my words. I'm tired. I look tired. Do I look tired? Maybe I'm tired. I hope you all have a great day and love what you do.